Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top problems people face when growing apples and how to solve them. We're going to arm you with the knowledge to tackle anything from pesky pests to finicky fungi. Whether you're a seasoned orchard enthusiast or just planting your first sapling, stick around for some seriously useful tips and tricks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about those tiny troublemakers that love apples as much as we do. Pests. We're talking about the notorious apple maggots and codling moths. These little guys can really put a damper on your harvest if left unchecked. But don't worry, we've got you covered. There are a bunch of organic ways to show these pests who's boss. You can go the organic route with traps and barriers. Neem oil is a fantastic option. It's safe for pets, humans, and the environment. For another organic treatment, consider using Bone-Eyed Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. It's a great way to keep pests at bay without harming the environment. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, and horticultural oil are also excellent choices. They are natural and less harmful to beneficial insects. Remember, the key here is early detection and regular monitoring. So keep an eye out for telltale signs like holes in your fruit or leaves. Next up, let's talk about another common challenge in the apple growing game: diseases. Two of the biggest baddies you need to watch out for are apple scab and fire blight. Apple scab can make your apples look all funky and deformed, while fire blight is a serious infection that can actually kill your trees. Now, the good news is that both of these diseases can be prevented and managed with the right approach. Organic fungicides can be your best friend here. For apple scab, consider using Serenade Garden Disease Control. For fire blight, Bone-Eyed Copper fungicide is highly effective and safe for pets, humans, and the environment. But there are also a lot of things you can do to create a less hospitable environment for these diseases, like making sure your trees have good airflow and avoiding overhead watering. Alright, now let's talk about everyone's favorite apple tree maintenance task: pruning. I know, it might not sound like the most thrilling activity, but trust me, this is where the magic happens. Pruning is like giving your apple tree a haircut. It helps to keep things tidy, promotes healthy growth, and ultimately leads to more delicious apples. The key to successful pruning is understanding how your apple tree grows and what kind of shape will encourage the most fruit production. There are a bunch of different pruning techniques out there, but the basics involve removing dead or diseased branches, thinning out overcrowded areas, and making sure the center of the tree is open to sunlight and airflow. Using the right tools like Fiskars pruning shears for precise cuts and a Corona pruning saw for thicker branches can make a big difference. Removing dead or diseased branches is crucial because it prevents the spread of disease and pests. Thinning overcrowded areas allows better air circulation and sunlight penetration, which are essential for healthy growth and fruit production. For organic solutions, consider using neem oil. It's safe for pets, humans, and the environment, and it helps control pests and diseases. Adding compost around the base of your apple tree can improve soil health and provide essential nutrients. Organic mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil structure, all of which contribute to a healthier tree. Encouraging beneficial insects like ladybugs can naturally keep pest populations in check without harming your tree or the environment. Now let's move on to the foundation of a healthy apple tree: the soil. Just like us, apple trees need a balanced diet of nutrients to thrive. That means making sure your soil has the right pH level, enough organic matter, and essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Testing your soil is a great way to get a baseline and figure out if you need to make any adjustments. You can add compost, manure, or other organic matter to improve soil structure and fertility. Products like Espoma Organic Compost are excellent choices and are safe for pets, humans, and the environment. And if you find that your soil is lacking in specific nutrients, you can always supplement with organic fertilizers. Job's Organics. Fruit and citrus fertilizer is a great option for apple trees and is environmentally friendly. Adjusting the pH levels of your soil is crucial for nutrient absorption. Aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal growth. By managing your soil and nutrients effectively with organic and safe products, you'll ensure your apple trees grow strong and produce bountiful harvests. And finally, let's talk about something we can't control, but can definitely prepare for: the weather. Mother Nature can be a fickle friend, and apple trees are particularly susceptible to things like late frosts, scorching summer heat, and drought. The The key to protecting your trees from these extreme weather events is to be proactive. If you know a frost is coming, you can cover your trees with blankets or frost cloths. Organic products like DeWitt Frost Protection Fabric are excellent for this purpose and safe for pets and the environment. During heat waves, make sure your trees are well watered, and consider using organic mulch to help retain moisture in the soil. Cedar-side cedar mulch is a great option that is safe for pets and humans, and if you live in a drought-prone area, you might want to choose apple varieties that are known for their drought tolerance. Being proactive and selecting organic pet-safe products can make all the difference. Hopefully, you feel like you've leveled up your apple-growing knowledge and are ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Remember, growing apples is a journey, and it takes time, patience, and a little bit of trial and error to get it right. But trust me, when you finally bite into that first juicy homegrown apple, all the effort will be worth it. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and start growing some amazing apples. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed mastering the art of apple growing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep those apples growing and glowing.